HomeFirst has been a household name for years in the community. We have your home covered. One of Australia's leading plumbing, electrical, heating and cooling companies. We know how to protect the things you care about. You, your family and your property are all important. Discover the HomeFirst difference for yourself. The HomeFirst guarantee. Faster services, pay by the job, not by the hour. Guaranteed workmanship, highly professional. Smart, presentable, respectful. Please speak to our experienced team for any issue you're facing in your home and we'll get the right tradesman to solve your problem.